Hello and welcome to Euronaval studio. We have the chance today to welcome Mr. Pier Roberto Folgero, who is the CEO of FINCANTIERI.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can you explain us who are you?
FINCANTIERI is a large shipbuilder. We have almost 20 shipyards all over the world with a strong base in Italy, but also with a very good footprint in US, in Norway, in Romania, and in Vietnam as well. Basically, we cover the naval business, the cruise sector, where we enjoy a very strong market share, and also the supply of shore vessels, either in the oil and gas, looking at the past, and in the wind farms, looking at the future.
That's great. So why are you here today at Euronaval?
You know, Euronaval is the place to be. So now it's time to exchange ideas. It's time to liaise together, to join force. And so it's very important to be here because it's the place where you can meet the right partners, the right counterparties as well, the right, I would say, competitors, but also the right possible clients. So it's the place to be in order to network and in order to understand which are the future challenges, which are the technological breakthrough, and where you have to go and how you can be distinctive for the way forward.
Of course. So today you have a huge booth, very beautiful one. Can you give us some few examples of the innovations that you provide?
You know, FINCANTIERI has very long roots in this industry. So we enjoy a very, I would say, knowledgeable background about the platform. But it is not enough to be leader in the platform. You have to be leader in the integration on whatever else is to be installed on top of a naval platform. So that's why we are injecting a lot of energies, a lot of entrepreneurial energies in new technologies, in the new layers. You have to integrate on top of the automation systems. So historically, the scope of work of an integrator is up to the automation systems, so command and control. Mm-hmm. Now it's time to work on whatever is on top. So is the data management, but also the artificial intelligence, the digital twin, the simulation systems, and whatever is the way to procure that your product is no more as simple as ship, but it's a digital and green naval asset, which is a different concept.
Of course. And if we focus on the defense market, what is your positioning? What are your main targets?
FINCANTIERI is very strong in frigates, is very strong in corvettes, and is very strong in anti-SOM, and is very strong also in SOM. So we believe that the next future will be a future in which the demand for this kind of vessels will increase more and more. First of all in the Mediterranean, where we will have to increase our patrol capacity from time to time, but also there will be a big demand also in Southeast Asia. So we believe that this is the time for our products where we are capitalizing on our long routes, but also on our new technologies.
Nice. You just signed today an agreement about the EPC corvette. Can you explain us what it is?
It's a very important program because it is a cooperation between FINCANTIERI, Naval Group and Avantia, with the sponsorship of Italy, France and Spain, mm-hmm. in order to develop this European patrol corvette concept. And we are breaking the ice because we are going to start the engineering of it. We strongly believe that it will be a kind of reference model for cooperation in this new world, in this new EU, in this new, I would say, utilization of European funds.
And can you describe a little bit the key success factor? Why do you think you're the best in your domain?
But you know, we are a great believer of the fact that you need to cross-fertilize. So it is good to be vertical in the naval vessels, but it's very beautiful also to cross-fertilize the naval environment with the cruise ships environment. So we believe that there is a lot of know-how on how to manage complexity, how to manage program management, respect of deadlines, respect of budgets, for example, and we can join the best practices all in all into a single company. And then there is the third leg, that is the leg of the supply of shore vessels. So it's not naval, it's not military, it's not cruise, it's a different environment, but there are a lot of new technologies popping up there. So this is time to have a kind of horizontal view of these possible cross-fertilizations.
Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
I appreciate it. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.